In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your HubSpot inbox, an essential step to streamline your communication and stay on top of everything happening within the HubSpot ecosystem. Let's dive right in and make sure you're all set up. To start, head over to the HubSpot homepage. It's the go-to portal for managing all your HubSpot tools and resources. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button, which is usually prominently displayed. Click on it to enter your credentials and access your HubSpot account. This login step is crucial as it authenticates you and grants you access to various features, including inbox connections. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your control center for everything HubSpot related. From here, navigate to the settings icon. This integral step leads you to various configuration options within HubSpot. Clicking on settings opens up a menu with numerous settings, but for today our focus is on email configurations. Next, look for the email tab. Clicking on this tab gives you access to all things email related, such as setting preferences for sending and receiving emails. In the email settings section, you'll see an option labeled Connect Personal Email. Select this option. Connecting your personal email enables HubSpot to track your sent emails, providing a seamless flow of information between your email and the HubSpot system, ensuring everything is organized in one place. Moving on, the next step is crucial. Look for the Connect Your Inbox button. Clicking this sets the ball rolling on connecting your mailbox to HubSpot. This connection allows HubSpot to manage your emails directly from the platform, so you don't have to switch between your email client and HubSpot constantly. This integration is particularly beneficial for managing sales and customer service tasks, ensuring all your messages are logged and tracked efficiently. Once you've connected your inbox, you're all set. HubSpot will be able to log and sync your email activity, making sure you won't miss any critical communications. Remember, this integration ensures that your correspondence is easily accessible from the HubSpot platform, a handy feature for anyone looking to maximize productivity and organization. To wrap things up, take a moment to ensure your inbox is syncing correctly by sending a test email and checking its visibility in your HubSpot account. If everything looks good, congratulations. You now have a fully integrated email setup with HubSpot, enhancing your ability to monitor and manage your email communications seamlessly. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. Setting up your HubSpot inbox connection is a small step that makes a big difference in managing your communications. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy connecting.